Meaning of Easterner.
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 Easterner. Easterner is a noun that refers to a person who comes from the eastern part of a geographical region, country or continent. The term is often used to distinguish people from the eastern part of a country or region from those in the western part. For example, in the United States, people from the eastern states such as New York or Maine may be referred to as Easterners, while those from the western states like California or Oregon may be called Westerners. Overall, Easterner is a term used to designate people based on their geographic location within a larger area.